Hello children, welcome to your grammar class. Children, today we are going to play one interesting game. Simon Says. Have you ever played this game? You must have. Chalo, today we will play this game. Now, whatever I am going to say, you will have to do that. Okay? I will say, like Simon says, jump. So when I say jump, you will also jump. Are you ready? Okay. First of all, I would say Simon says, close your eyes. Okay, very good. Now Simon says, raise your heads. Good. Now don't open your eyes. I have not told you to open your eyes. Okay, Simon says, sleep on the table. Simon says, open your eyes. Very good. Simon says, stand up. Simon says, sit down. Simon says, listen to your teacher. Very good. So children, I hope you had fun. Yes. Children, what all actions we were doing in this game, all those are the action verbs or doing words like close, sleep, open, raise, stand, listen, sit. What are all these? These are all the action words or action verbs. So we have close, sleep, open, raise, stand, listen, sit. Now see children, when we are talking about these words or action words, all these are called verbs. So verbs, action words or doing words all are same. Now let us see what their definition is. Words which tell the actions of a person are called doing words or verbs. Like whatever action a person is doing, like आप jump कर रहे थे, you were closing your eyes, so the word close, the word jump, all these were showing your particular action. So they are called the doing words or verbs. So what is a verb? A verb is a doing word. It describes an action. For example, I eat my sandwiches. So here the action or the doing word is eat. Another example, I write a letter. So over here we are writing. What action are we doing? Writing. This is our doing verb. So the verbs are doing words which describe an action. And normally action कौन करता है? The noun. Like he, she, Ravi, whatever name. So noun is the person or noun is doing the action and verb tells us what action the noun is doing. Like for example, over here if we see, there is this little girl. ये आपको दिख रही है? She. Who is she? Her name is Veera. तो ये क्या हो गया? ये एक proper noun है, ठीक है? A girl है, her name is Veera. Now what all Veera is doing? We can see here. Like Veera swims. Okay, so this is her action. Veera writes. Veera runs. Veera, what is she doing here? Eating. She eats here. Then Veera here reads. Veera here is jumping. Okay, so all these actions which are there, which Veera is doing, Veera is the noun and she is doing all these actions. So all these are verbs. All these are the doing words and Veera is doing all these things. Like I made a sentence here, John is eating salad. So eating, what is eating? Eating is telling us what John is doing. So John is the noun here and he is eating what? He is eating the salad here. Another example, brushing. So Vishu is brushing his teeth. So brush is the verb. We have made it in the ing form, brushing. So Vishu is brushing his teeth. So this child is brushing his teeth. So brushing is again the action. Running now. Gopi and Anu are running. So these two are running, so the action which is described here is running. Washing. Mr. Sharma is washing his hand. So you can see here, washing is the verb. Now children, let's do this exercise so that you can understand better how we have to use these words. The first one here, we have to fill in the blanks with these words: sit, plays, fly, look and eat. Okay, so first sentence is, my dog dash with a ball. My dog plays with a ball. Correct. Now second, birds dash in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Correct. Plays and fly, what are these? They are showing us the actions. They are the doing words. Now third one, you can dash these fruits. Eat. You can eat these fruits. Now the flowers dash beautiful. The flowers look beautiful. And last one, please dash on my chair. Please sit on my chair. So these sentences are complete by using these action words or verbs. Okay, I hope children you have understood what are verbs. Now we'll be doing few more exercises with you in class. Okay, thank you children. Bye for now.